Next up, a warm welcome for Turncoat. In this, we need to eliminate the gang leader in Ban Park. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now, control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. Make your way across to Ban Park on the far east, zooming in this central house here. The Elder's house is where we need to head. That is where the boss usually spawns upstairs there. Getting there is simple enough, but of course, these bots do like to shoot you from afar through the plethora of bushes around the place. Be safe. I'm approaching it from the south, which should be the quickest way to get there. And of course, if you want less contact, try doing this at nighttime. All right, so slowly finding our way in here. And eventually you'll make your way to this building here, which is the one that we marked previously, the Elder's house. Now, I wouldn't say you need to clear out the entire town, but it's a good idea to make sure it's relatively clean, just so you can get in and out of here mostly unscathed, as it just takes one lucky shot from a bot a kilometer away. Anyways, once you approach this building right here, you'll need to find your way to the staircase and upstairs here, and as soon as you get inside of this door, the bot will usually spawn right here. So, no, the boss didn't spawn here. Usually this is where they spawn, so there's a good chance you'll find them in here, but if they're not in here, they're wandering around somewhere. So from this point, it's kind of just a mission of clearing out the entire town. Well, pushing all the way out to these stilt houses in the water, it seems like the boss finally decided here is where he was going to spawn. So I simply gunned down and there you go. I'll get a closer look of him as soon as these bots stop shooting at me. But it seems like this is another hideout that he could be at. Let's see if we can get a better look at him. Well, this wasn't him, I don't think. Oh, I got him around here, but it seems like he may have just fallen in the water, mayhaps. Well, his body's not here, so you'll just need to reverse the video to see what happened there, but that's him. We got him down, and that's that. I think he's got a relatively good gun on him. It's worthwhile checking if his body happens to be there. But anyways, now we just need to get back to base, and we're done with this quest. There we go, we can hand in the quest, so hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.